Those big towing numbers on half-ton trucks can be extremely misleading. What works in perfect test conditions doesn't always work in the real world. Knowing your truck's actual limits is what will keep you and your family safe and prevent catastrophic damage. Let's look at what those towing capacity numbers really mean, once and for all. Those impressive 13,000-pound capacities on modern half-ton pickup trucks demand a thoughtful approach to RV towing compared to heavier-duty trucks. While these half-ton trucks can legally handle substantial loads, choosing the right RV match requires careful consideration of real-world conditions. For a half-ton rated truck, 13,000 pounds towing capacity, applying the 75% rule means targeting RV trailers around 9,750 pounds fully loaded. This capacity puts you in the realm of medium-sized travel trailers and smaller fifth wheels, including many popular family campers and weekend warrior models. Your half-ton truck maintains better control on steep mountain passes, improved stability in crosswinds, and more consistent engine and transmission temperatures when staying within this range. Your half-ton truck maintains better control on steep mountain passes, improved stability in crosswinds, and more consistent engine and transmission temperatures when staying within this range. Key considerations for half-ton RV towing include proper weight distribution, hitch selection, and brake controller settings. Special parking considerations become necessary as combined lengths often exceed 40 feet, while fuel consumption typically ranges between 8 and 12 miles per gallon when towing. Your truck's real towing capacity is affected by standard toolboxes, fuel weight from the gas or diesel tank, passenger weight, and hitch systems. Unlike lighter SUVs, these half-ton pickups maintain steady performance near their recommended capacity thanks to enhanced cooling systems, tow-haul transmission modes, integrated trailer brake controls, and strengthened frames. When selecting an RV, focus on trailers rated between 6,000 and 7,500 pounds dry weight, allowing for cargo and camping gear while staying within safe limits. This class of truck provides good stability and control, making it ideal for family camping and weekend adventures with appropriately sized travel trailers. Understanding payload capacity is crucial when matching your RV trailer to your towing vehicle, particularly since most half-ton trucks have payload limits between 1,500 and 1,900 pounds. This total payload capacity includes not just cargo, but everything you add to your truck, making it a critical factor in safe RV towing. When it comes to RV trailers, tongue weight becomes a major consideration in payload calculations. A typical travel trailer's tongue weight ranges between 12 to 15% of the total trailer weight. For a 7,000-pound travel trailer, this means you're dedicating 700 to 1,050 pounds of your payload capacity just to support the trailer's connection point. The remaining payload must accommodate passengers, gear, and any aftermarket additions to your truck. Modern RV enthusiasts often use digital scales to precisely measure individual wheel and axle weights, ensuring they stay within manufacturer specifications. This becomes especially important with larger RV trailers, as improper weight distribution can cause dangerous front-end lift and compromise steering control. Weight distribution hitches play a vital role in RV towing safety by redistributing the trailer's tongue weight between the tow vehicle and trailer axles. These systems typically transfer about 50% of the tongue weight forward to the truck's front axle, helping maintain proper steering geometry and brake effectiveness. For RV trailers, this weight redistribution becomes essential as trailer lengths and weights increase. Proper payload management ensures your RV towing setup remains safe and stable, regardless of road conditions or travel duration. Trailer sway creates one of the most dangerous situations RV owners can face on the road. With the substantial size and weight of recreational vehicles, the physics behind sway resemble an enormous pendulum effect where your travel trailer or fifth wheel swings side to side behind your tow vehicle. This motion often begins subtly, perhaps from a crosswind or highway turbulence, but can rapidly escalate into a critical situation within moments. Vehicle speed plays a crucial role in RV sway dynamics. At highway speeds, the large profile of travel trailers and fifth wheels acts like a sail, catching crosswinds and air turbulence. Large commercial vehicles passing your RV create powerful air displacement zones, strong enough to pull your trailer sideways. Quick steering corrections often worsen these forces, particularly with longer RV trailers. RV weight distribution critically affects stability. Large appliances, water tanks, and camping gear positioned too far behind the trailer axles create dangerous leverage effects. Proper RV loading, with heavier items stored low and forward of the axles, helps maintain straight tracking. Correct fifth wheel or travel trailer hitch height becomes essential for maintaining control. Modern RV-specific sway control technology provides crucial stability management. Weight distribution hitches create a stable towing foundation by properly distributing tongue weight between tow vehicle and trailer axles. Properly tensioned spring bars maintain this balance across varying road surfaces. Electronic stability control systems add additional protection by detecting and correcting sway before it becomes unmanageable, enabling safe RV towing even in challenging weather conditions. Standard brake systems on tow vehicles face extraordinary challenges when handling RV trailers. These massive recreational units create intense heat and stress on stock brake components. Standard brake pad materials struggle to dissipate the extreme heat generated when slowing a heavy travel trailer or fifth wheel, while factory rotors often lack sufficient mass for proper cooling. When towing larger RVs, brake fluid temperature becomes a critical safety concern. Real-world stopping distances reveal the dramatic impact of RV towing on braking performance. While an unloaded truck stops from 60 miles per hour in about 130 feet, adding a travel trailer extends this to nearly 225 feet. Wet campground roads or mountain passes create even more challenging conditions, increasing stopping distances by 40%. Descending steep grades requires extra caution, adding another 60% to stopping distance. Modern RV brake controllers revolutionize towing safety. Advanced inertia-based systems monitor deceleration rates and precisely control trailer brake activation. These controllers react faster than human inputs, helping maintain directional stability during emergency stops. Electronic RV brake controllers continuously adjust brake timing and pressure based on conditions. Proper setup of RV brake controllers proves essential for safe travel. Each recreational trailer requires specific controller adjustments based on its loaded weight, axle configuration, and brake specifications. This careful calibration ensures synchronized braking between tow vehicle and RV, transforming white-knuckle moments into controlled stops. Regular testing and adjustment maintain optimal braking performance across varying camping loads and travel conditions. Transmission temperatures climb significantly when towing RVs, making temperature monitoring essential for transmission longevity. During normal RV towing, transmission temperatures should stay between 150 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. However, pulling heavy travel trailers or fifth wheels up long grades can push temperatures into the danger zone above 200 degrees. At 220 degrees, transmission damage occurs rapidly, particularly when hauling larger recreational vehicles. Your transmission fluid's condition tells an important story during RV season. Fresh fluid displays a bright red color, while normal use during camping trips gradually lightens it to pink. Brown fluid indicates excessive heat from difficult towing conditions, such as mountain passes or desert camping. Black fluid or a burnt smell while pulling your RV signals severe transmission distress requiring immediate attention, often requiring an emergency stop to prevent catastrophic failure. Installing an auxiliary transmission cooler becomes crucial for RV towing protection. These systems can lower fluid temperatures by 20 to 50 degrees, particularly beneficial during summer camping trips or mountainous terrain. Stacked plate coolers, preferred for RV applications, provide superior cooling compared to tube-style units. Proper cooler sizing must match your specific RV's weight and typical towing conditions. Optimal cooler mounting location and transmission temperature gauges provide continuous monitoring during travel. Maintaining proper transmission temperatures prevents expensive failures and extends transmission life. Regular fluid testing helps identify potential issues before they interrupt your camping adventures. Weather conditions significantly impact RV towing safety with half-ton trucks. Strong crosswinds particularly challenge these lighter trucks when pulling high-profile travel trailers. Even moderate winds at 30 miles per hour can push a travel trailer sideways, requiring constant steering corrections that test the limits of half-ton suspension systems. Headwinds force these smaller displacement engines to work harder, significantly reducing fuel economy and increasing transmission temperatures. Tailwinds create dangerous lift effects on lightweight travel trailers, potentially overwhelming the half-ton truck's stability control systems. Wet conditions transform routine RV towing into a serious challenge for half-ton trucks. Reduced tire grip on wet roads is especially concerning given the lighter rear axle weight of these trucks. Standing water increases hydroplaning risks, complicated by the trailer's pushing effect. The limited braking capacity of half-ton trucks becomes more apparent in wet conditions, requiring significantly increased following distances. Summer heat particularly stresses half-ton trucks' cooling systems when towing RVs. Stock cooling packages, while adequate for daily driving, often approach their limits during extended climbs with travel trailers. High ambient temperatures affect tire pressures and stability, while straining these trucks' smaller transmission coolers. Winter RV towing demands extra caution with half-ton trucks. Their lighter weight means less traction in slippery conditions, while cold temperatures affect trailer brake performance. These trucks require thorough warm-up before towing in cold weather, and careful route planning helps avoid severe weather conditions that could overwhelm the truck's towing capabilities. Towing RVs with half-ton trucks demands rigorous maintenance schedules to prevent roadside emergencies. These lighter-duty trucks experience accelerated wear when operating near their maximum towing capacity, particularly when pulling larger travel trailers. Vehicle systems face increased stress, requiring more frequent inspections and service intervals to maintain safe operation. Pre-trip inspections become critical for half-ton trucks pulling RVs. Tire pressure checks on both truck and trailer are essential, as these trucks have less margin for error in weight distribution. Each tire needs specific inflation based on the RV's loaded weight. Brake components require thorough examination since half-ton trucks work harder to control trailer weight. Hitch system inspection becomes crucial, especially weight distribution components that help maintain proper truck and trailer geometry. Fluid maintenance intervals shorten significantly when towing RVs with half-ton trucks. Engine oil degradation accelerates, often requiring changes every 5,000 miles during camping season. Transmission fluid needs particular attention, with recommended changes every 30,000 miles to protect the lighter-duty transmission. Fresh, clean transmission fluid helps manage the higher temperatures these trucks experience when pulling travel trailers. Differential fluid changes become essential at 30,000 miles, as these components face greater stress from trailer tongue weight. Brake fluid requires replacement every 2 years to maintain proper brake performance under heavier loads. Power steering and coolant systems need regular inspection to prevent overheating during summer camping trips. Following these maintenance schedules helps protect your half-ton truck's drivetrain while towing RVs and prevents costly breakdowns during family vacations. When RV towing demands exceed half-ton truck capabilities, 3/4-ton trucks offer more robust solutions. These heavier platforms feature stronger frames, enhanced cooling systems, and superior braking power specifically designed for larger travel trailers and fifth wheels. The upgraded chassis provides greater stability and wider safety margins, particularly important when towing in challenging weather or mountainous terrain. Cost analysis between upgrading a half-ton truck versus stepping up to a 3/4-ton reveals important considerations for RV owners. Modifying a half-ton truck for improved towing typically costs between $3,000 and $5,000, covering enhanced transmission cooling, better brake components, and upgraded suspension parts. However, these modifications cannot overcome the fundamental limitations of a half-ton platform when pulling larger RVs. 3/4-ton trucks require larger initial investments, usually $12,000 to $15,000 above half-ton models. This premium buys substantial improvements in every towing-related system. Stronger frames better handle fifth-wheel pin weights, while larger brakes provide confident stopping power with heavier travel trailers. Enhanced cooling systems prevent overheating during mountain passes. For frequent RV travelers, long-term ownership costs often favor 3/4-ton platforms. Despite higher fuel consumption, these trucks require fewer repairs and maintain better reliability under heavy RV use. Maintenance costs typically decrease due to stronger components designed specifically for towing. Resale values generally hold stronger for 3/4-ton trucks, particularly in popular RV towing configurations. The initial cost difference often balances out through reduced repair expenses and stronger resale values over 5 years of ownership. Weight distribution in your RV becomes especially critical when towing with a half-ton truck, as these vehicles operate closer to their maximum capacities. Heavy items placed at the rear of a travel trailer can create dangerous leverage, lifting your half-ton truck's front tires and reducing critical steering control. Similarly, excessive forward loading puts too much tongue weight on your half-ton's rear suspension, potentially exceeding its payload capacity. The ideal loading zone in your RV centers over the trailer axles. Heavy camping gear, water tanks, and appliances belong in this sweet spot to maintain proper balance. For optimal stability with a half-ton truck, 60% of your RV's cargo weight should sit between the trailer axles. The remaining 40% needs careful distribution between the front and rear areas to maintain proper tongue weight within your truck's limits. Smart packing becomes crucial for half-ton truck stability. Heavy camping equipment belongs low and centered in your RV. Lighter items can safely occupy upper cabinets and storage areas. Securing all items prevents dangerous load shifts that could overwhelm your half-ton truck's stability systems during travel. Regular weight checks at truck stops ensure proper RV load distribution for your half-ton setup. The trailer should apply even pressure across all tires, and uneven wear patterns signal poor weight distribution. Proper loading maintains consistent tire contact, improving braking and handling capabilities of your half-ton truck. This careful weight management directly affects every aspect of towing performance, from fuel economy to safe stopping distances. Tire safety requires special attention when towing RVs with half-ton trucks, as these vehicles operate near their maximum capabilities. Each tire's load rating becomes critical, both on your F-150, Ram 1500Bs, or Silverado 1500 and your travel trailer. These ratings prove especially important for half-ton trucks, which have minimal safety margin when pulling larger RVs. Exceeding these ratings risks dangerous blowouts, particularly during hot summer camping trips. Proper tire inflation proves essential for safe RV towing. Morning temperatures require different pressures than hot afternoon conditions. Half-ton truck tires typically need increased pressure for towing. Consult your door jamb sticker for exact PSI, often ranging from 45 to 65 PSI depending on load. Travel trailer tires demand their specific pressures, usually between 50 and 80 PSI based on sidewall specifications. Underinflated tires build dangerous heat, while overinflation reduces needed traction. Summer RV travel intensifies tire stress. Highway speeds create significant heat in trailer tires, demanding regular temperature monitoring during rest stops. A quick touch test reveals dangerous hot spots. If the tire feels too hot to touch, you risk imminent failure. This monitoring becomes vital for half-ton trucks already working at their limits. Regular inspections prevent common tire failures during RV trips. Watch for uneven wear indicating alignment or weight distribution problems that could overwhelm your half-ton truck's suspension. Examine sidewalls for damage, remembering that RV tires typically age out before wearing out. Most manufacturers recommend replacing trailer tires every 5 years, regardless of mileage. It's not just paying attention to the tires. Understanding all of these critical towing limits can make or break your travel safety. But knowing your limits is just the first step towards safer towing. But if you are unaware of the following, you still could have major issues. So check out this video that covers the biggest towing mistakes people make and the simple steps to avoid them. Subscribe now so you don't miss these essential towing tips. Until then, keep it safe and enjoy the journey.